everyone. My name is Hana.
And my name is Talent.
We are from grade 2 Mako Sharks. Today, the word of the day is cheerful. Let's spell together. C H E E R F U L. Cheerful.
Now, can you repeat after me 3 times? Cheerful. 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 Great. Cheerful means happy and full of joy.
Here's an example sentence. I feel cheerful when I play with my friends. Everyone, please repeat after me. I feel cheerful when I play with my friends. Great job, everyone. Thank you for listening and have a cheerful day.